Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your Realme phone and Android TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use a 5 GHz network when possible to reduce lag and improve video quality. Make sure Google Home is installed and updated on your Realme device. Confirm the Android TV shows up under Devices in the Google Home app. Keep the phone battery above 20% to avoid unexpected shutdowns during setup. Open the Google Home app on your Realme phone and locate your Android TV device. Tap the TV tile, then select Cast Screen to start mirroring immediately. Confirm any permission prompts that request screen capture or microphone access. If a PIN appears on the TV, enter it into the phone to pair the devices securely. Wait briefly while the connection establishes and then control playback or apps directly from your phone. If the Android TV does not appear in Google Home, restart both devices and reconnect Wi-Fi. Switch to the 5 GHz band or move your router closer to minimize latency and stutter. For the most stable stream, plug your Android TV into wired Ethernet and keep the phone on Wi-Fi. Update both Realme system software and Android TV firmware to fix compatibility problems. Finally, close unused apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.